Hello everyone. In this video, let's see how a simple and tasty breakfast chutney can be made using tomato and onion. Without wasting much of your time, let's get to cooking now. For this, I have taken 2 cups of chopped tomato, which is equal to half kg, and 1 cup of chopped onion, which is equal to quarter kg, and 3 to 4 garlic cloves, which is optional. Now let's add the chopped onion to the mixer jar, and then the garlic cloves, and then tomato. It's always better to add the hard vegetables nearby the blade than adding softer vegetables. I'm adding 2 cups of tomato here. The total weight comes to 3/4 of a kg. Now add 1 spoon of rasam powder. You may add sambar powder also instead, and 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of salt. You can take salt as per the quantity of vegetables you have taken, and 1 spoon of finely mashed jaggery. Jaggery adds a lot of taste in this chutney. Now just grind it coarse so that we will be able to find many pieces of tomato and onion. Just grind it coarse. It would give awesome taste to chutney. The next step is take a wok, add 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. For the quantity I have taken, I have added so much for 3/4 of a kg of vegetables. Add 1 spoon mustard, half spoon cumin, 1/4 of a spoon of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, 1/4 spoon turmeric powder, 3/4 small pieces of dry red chili. Those who don't add garlic, they can add asafoetida here, and few curry leaves. Now once the tempering splutters, put off the stove. This is just to avoid the spillage of oil on our hands. Now add the entire mixture, the onion, tomato and garlic mixture, to this tempering. Put on the stove now, mix once, cover with a lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. This is to ensure that the raw aroma of the vegetables is lost. We have to stir once or twice so that the bottom part is not burnt. After 4 or 5 minutes, open the lid and cook like this from now on. Don't cover it again. After a little while, say after 8 or 9 minutes, chutney thickens a little and the oil comes to the edges like this. Now this is the stage where we can put off the stove and the chutney is ready to be served. This stays very well with breakfast items like idli, dosa or uttapam, or any sort of other breakfast dishes also. See, this is the stage where the oil has come to the edges. The chutney is done. Hope you like this recipe. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up and please subscribe to Appalamma's Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.